All right, in our previous video, we built our beautiful model, but we get a problem with our model because when I click on solver and solve, we got this problem says solver could not find a feasible solution. And although we entered our data correctly and build our model, and I ask you to think about it, how can you solve this problem? I hope you found this problem by yourself without watching this video, but if not, don't worry, I will just show it to you that silly small mistake. So if you look at it, all right, looks like my objective looks beautiful, decision variables and their coefficients. My left hand side values here calculate pretty nicely here too, and the relationships are given right, and supply constant right hand side values are given to me. That's are good. And my right hand side values for demand side is referenced beautifully, and relationships I want to have at least as much, so that's good. And when you look at here though, you will see the problem K6 to K9. Actually, I want a K6, K7, and K8. I self-reference here, so that's the problem. Let's see whether that's going to solve our problem. I don't want this to be K9, it will be K8, right? So the summation of this column, because those are the values that I sent to Albuquerque, if I add them up, I will find the total number of units that I sent. And I have the same issues here, so what I can do is just drag this formula to right to fix that problem, L6, L8, and M6, M8. And let's run the model again to see what's going to happen. Solver, everything is good. All right, and looks like I have a optimal solution, and congratulations, all my conditions are satisfied, and I can click OK to see my results. So if you look at this result, Excel Solver tells you that the best solution you can get is this. So you will spend $3,300. That's the minimum cost that you can spend to make sure that all my constraints are satisfied. If you look at, for example, supply constraint, okay, my capacity in Des Moines is 250. I supply 250 from it. That's good. 300, 300. 300 capacity, I only use half of my capacity, that's fine. I don't have to spend all my capacity in this problem. And if you look at demand constraints, you see the same thing. 300 is greater than or equal to 300, 200 is greater than or equal to 200, 200 is greater than or equal to 200. So that's it. This is the solution. My solution says that send 250 units from Des Moines to Albuquerque, 200 units from Evansville to Boston, 100 units from Evansville to Cleveland, 50 units from Fort Lauderdale to Albuquerque, and 100 units from Fort Lauderdale to Cleveland. That's it for today. This is covering the transportation problem. And enjoy supply chain management.